Hi dears, today our subject maths. In last class, we discussed about numbers and numeration beyond 100. Then I hope all of you study very well with the number names with the spelling. Then today I want to take number names up to 1000 and I want to take abacus also in 2 digits and 3 digits. So all of you listen here. We already studied up to 100 with the spellings. Then we want to study the spelling up to 1000. First we want to write 100 spelling. 1, 0, 0. This is 100. How to write in spelling? H, U, N, D, R, E, D. 100. Then we want to write up to 1000. How we can write in spelling? How we can write in number names in 1000? Listen here. I write here one name. Number 235. 235. We already studied 2 digit numbers. 36. This is 2 digit numbers. We add here 1. This is 3 digit numbers. This like how we can write in 3 digit numbers in number names. How we can write in numeration. First, what is the place value of here? Ones, tens, 100. You already studied in your first standard. The place value of numbers, ones, tens, 100. We can also study here. But you check your previous knowledge how we can read these numbers. In maths, we can read left respectively. In left side respectively, we can read in maths. Ones, tens, 100. Not read this like, but we can read in left to right, not in right to left. We can read in left to right. Ones, tens, 100. This like we can write 200. 200. Here the place value of 2. We can write here 200. 100 place 2 is there. We can say 200. Then tens 3. And 5, 3, 5, 35, 235. We can write here 235. 235. Okay, next we can again check the another number. 406. Here no numbers. Tens place is 0. We can write how to write this one. Ones, tens, 100. 400, 0 tens, 6 ones, or 6 ones, 0 ten, 400. How we can write? F-O-U-R, 4, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Then 6, no tens here, we can write here 6, 400. 6, X-I-X, 6. Here, this like 1, we already write one number 136. How we can write 100, 100, 3 times, 6 ones, or 6 ones, 3 times, 100. We can write 100, 100. Then 3, 6, 36. We can write here 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Then 6, X-I-X, 6, 36. Here 136 we write it. First 100 we write, then 36 we can write here. Then 235 we write here. 200, then 35, then 406, 406. Okay, then this like we can write another number. 560, 560, 560, 0 ones, 6 tens, 500, 0 ones, 6 tens, 500. How we can write here? 500. First write a 5 spelling, F-I-V-E, 5. Then 100 place we already studied, that is spelling 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Then 6 tens and 0 ones. That means 60. We can write here 560. XISTY 60. Okay, we can check it another number. 889. 889. Ones place 9, then tens place 8, then 100 place 8. How we can write in? We already studied 8 spelling. What is the 8 spelling? EIGHT. Then we already studied 100 spelling. HUNDRED 100. Then 8 tens and 9 ones. How we can read it? 89. We already studied the spelling 89. That we can write here. 889. EIGHTYNINE 889. 889. This like we can write these spellings. Then next one, 999. 999. What is the specialty of this number? 999. The biggest numbers in 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers, the biggest number is 999. Then how we can write 9? N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. We already studied this 9 spelling. Then 100. How we can write? H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 900. Then 99. We already studied it in last class. How we can write it? 99. Here listen. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E 9. 99. This like we can write. How to write in number names up to 1000. Last we want to write 1000. This is 4-digit numbers. The smallest 4-digit numbers what? 1000. The smallest 4-digit numbers 1000. The biggest 3-digit numbers 999. The smallest 3-digit numbers 100. Okay. Then 0, 0, 0. Then 1. This is 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then how we can write the spelling? O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. We already know that. Then we want to know the spelling 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S 1000. 1000. Already study one's spelling. Then only we want to study the spelling 1000. Symbol 1. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S 1000. Sorry, S now want 1000. 1000. Okay. Then you want to write down your notebook this like. First you give heading number names 100 to 1000. 100 to 1000. Then examples you can write first 100. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Then 235. First we write 2. Here write, then 100 spelling write, then 35, then 406, 406, then 136, sorry, 136, 136, then 560, 560, then 800, 89, 889, 999, then 1000. This like you can write down your notebook. First spellings. Numbers, then spelling you can write down this like your notebook.